Hi, my name is Sarah Collins, and I have nominated Sam Vlies for the Bush Excellence in Nursing Award.
I started in 2007 as a CNA, and then I went to school for surgical tech. I worked as a surgical tech for about a year, and then after that I went back to the surgical unit and got my nursing degree.
She was meant to be a nurse. It was definitely her calling.
I got in a bad car accident, so I was actually in the hospital for a really long time. And so I liked a lot of the nurses there, and that kind of put me on the path where I am today.
She can relate to our patients, which I think really helps too. And she shares that, which I think helps build a bond between them. So she's like, you know what, I've been in your place before. I've been the patient here. I know what it's like. And I want you to feel as comfortable as you can, because that's all I wanted when I was, a patient here. So she really relates on a deeper level.
Sam always gets to know her patients on another level. She is mindful that there's somebody outside of the hospital. They're more than what they are when they're just in the hospital with us.
They're just regular people like we are, and we don't have to treat them any differently, and everything doesn't have to be so serious all the time.
A lot of things today are task orientated, but Sam does that as well as bring the human side to nursing. And she does it with empathy, and she does it with humor.
She's a little spunky, so that always helps people feel a little bit more comfortable around her.
I always try to have a positive attitude because I think it brightens everybody's day. It's kind of, usually when they're at the hospital, it's one of the worst times. So I like to just brighten up their day and keep a positive attitude.
Just being in the room with her, watching her interact with our patients and their families, and she takes that extra time to, if they have a story, she's gonna listen, really sit and listen to it. And she's not just gonna walk out when the story's done. She's gonna relate it back to her life and be like, oh, I totally get it.
She doesn't just take care of them and take care of the diagnosis, but she listens to them, and she really makes them feel like they're part of her family, that she's taking the best care of them.
And oftentimes patients will come back to visit, and they always remember Sam.
Nobody usually wants to come back to the hospital, so when they come back just to visit or say hi, it's always appreciated.
Is Sam working today? She was so amazing.
When they come back and they remember Sam's name, I think it says a lot about, the impact that she makes on them while she's here.
It's always nice to see them outside the hospital environment, so when they come back and visit, it's always a nice surprise.
I think that Sam is a perfect example of someone who has really invested in what Bellin looks for in their employees. You see that on the wall when you walk in, I will know you, I will go on your journey with you, and I think Sam really makes an effort to do that.
My coworkers are just like my family, so I really enjoy going to work because of them. I couldn't do what I do without them, and I just love the type of patients I care for, so I envision me being on 7th floor for a very long time.
Congratulations, Sam, on receiving the Bush Award.
Congratulations, Sam. You really deserve this award.
You're an awesome nurse. You're an awesome role model. I appreciate you a ton. I'm so happy for you. I don't think this could have came at a better time in your life, and just want you to know how much you deserve it.